Hi, this is the REALME C53 and I'll show you how to activate Google Assistant on this device. So first we should launch the Google application, then tap on the right upper corner and go to the settings. Tap to voice section and click to voice mode. Click to turn on. Here tap to Hey Google switcher to activate this option, and if you want Assistant to recognize your voice, tap to voice model, click to retain voice model and say OK Google, what's the weather tomorrow? OK Google, set a timer for 5 minutes. Hey Google, make a call. Hey Google, remind me to water my plants every Monday. So now just tap to next, not now, and we just successfully added our voice model. So now when we'll say OK Google or Hey Google, we could see that this option successfully enabled. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.